we have come to our next segment, which is one of the oldest shops in Delhi, Sindhi Dry Fruit. Here name sells, and he is the man behind Sindhi Dry Fruit and other persons. So this is the segment that will show you how innovations have taken place over time, how big businesses, people who worked hard earlier, those who were the first movers now have set up shops which look like showroom and no other big banners can come up next to them. So आपको कैसा लगता है कि 50 साल हो गए, कितने सालों से है ये शॉप? 65 years. तो ये कैसे शॉप आई थी और अब
और 5x8 की शॉप
5x8 की शॉप ओके। और अब कितनी है ये शॉप?
16x20 की शॉप है,
16x20। बहुत बढ़िया। कंपटीशन के साथ सबको इनोवेट करना पड़ता है, जो इनोवेट नहीं कर पाया वो पीछे रह जाता है। इन्होंने भी कंपटीशन के साथ इनोवेट किया, आगे भी करते रहेंगे। और आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके जितने भी एम्प्लॉयज हैं वो खुश हैं?
सारे हमारे खुश हैं, सारे बच्चों की तरह रखते हैं और एम्प्लॉयज़ को हमारे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हमें अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। एम्प्लॉयज़ काफ़ी हार्ड वर्कर हैं, उनके साथ हम खूब मेहनत करते हैं, तभी हम आज मुकाम पे पहुँचे हैं। और
उनको क्या क्या इंसेंटिव मिलते हैं वो आप बताइए, इंसेंटिव के बारे में।
इंसेंटिव
जैसे रोज चाय पकोड़े हो गए या उनको
डेली होता है, डेली उनको चाय 4 टाइम चाय देते हैं, पकोड़े देते हैं, कोल्ड ड्रिंक पिलाते हैं। दिवाली को उनको बोनस दिया जाता है, दिवाली के उनकी पूरा रहने का इंतजाम किया जाता है, खाना खिलाया जाता है उनको।
और कितने टाइम बाद उनकी सैलरी बढ़ती है? 1 साल 2 साल?
साल के अंदर 2 दफ़ा उनको इंक्रीमेंट मिलती है।
ओके, 2 दफ़ा इंक्रीमेंट।
वो लड़का जिस लेवल पे काम करता है उसको इसी हिसाब से उसको बोनस दिए जाते हैं, उसके पॉइंट लिखे जाते हैं।
So you see, on one hand we have these kind of laborers who are very much secured about their lifetime. They can overdraft, they can borrow, they can do anything with the employer if he has a friendly relationship with him. And it's quite necessary to maintain that relationship. On the other hand, if you just rotate the camera, we'll see that there are other petty workers who are selling fans, who are selling moortis, who are selling other kinds of stuff. Do they have any kind of insurance? I guess not. And I don't think they will have in any case. But over the time, we'll see that they might just rise up or they might not. So this is the dilemma that we live in. When shops shut down, we'll see that those who are better placed like the places like these, they will come the next day for sure. While those who are petty traders might not come. They might be disheartened by this busy life and might want to retire to their own places doing agriculture and other stuff. Thank you.
Thank you.
Innovations takes place, and instead of, since this shop is called Sindhi Dry Fruits, we have other chikkis and every kind of stuff that has to attract customers. Also, I would like to emphasize that the shop, you can see the counter is here, and people have encroached upon the spaces not to even leave an inch of it. They do it as much as they can do, and this helps this shop work. This is another man behind the same shop, Sri Inder Kumar Kadaria. आपको जब लगता है कि एक दिन में कितना काम होता है, जैसे कहीं बाहर जाना पड़ गया, अभी कोई काम निकल आया, तो आप क्या करते हैं शॉप में? ऐसे छोड़ के जाते हैं या आपके कोई पार्टनर हैं या भाई हैं?
हैं हमारे, वो संभालते हैं, उसके बाद
तो वो संभालते हैं, और अगर उनको जाना हो तो आप, तो एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम यहाँ पर देखिए बना हुआ है। ये इस सपोर्ट की वजह से ही आज भी रिलेशन बहुत ही क्लोज हैं। ये अमेरिका नहीं, ये आज भी इंडिया ही है। बिजनेस के पीछे वैसे रिलेशन भी हैं जिनकी वजह से ये बिजनेसेस चल रहे हैं। इतना बड़ा बिजनेस चलाना एक मामूली बात नहीं। तो आपको क्या लगता है कि जब बिजनेस में आए, कितने टाइम से आपके पिताजी ने भी स्टार्ट किया बिजनेस, उसके बाद आप आए, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि वो रिलेशनशिप क्लोज होता जा रहा है कि थोड़ा बिखरता जा रहा है।
नहीं, भाइयों में प्यार है, बिजनेस अच्छा है, दोनों ठीक तरीके से काम करते हैं, अच्छी तरह से संभाल रहे हैं। आज कुछ कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई है अपने को, आगे भी इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आनी चाहिए।
So you can see the relations have not dismantled, the relations are emerging. With time we can say economy is emerging and consumerism isn't that bad at all, because in India we share with you moment, we share with you life, we share with you everything, and between these are these kinds of social relations that make people what they are, and they want to live like that only. Thank you. This is, you can see KFC. On one hand we showed you golden pastries with inventions such as Chinese chaat. On the other hand, these are the big banners that I was talking about. Kenchuri fried chicken. Now, do you think, Naresh, what do you think that would they be able to survive the competition,
Yeah,
or
they would.
would Golden Fiesta just not be standing up to the competition of KFC?
See, the point is they are the authentic tastemakers who have grown with time.
But Chinese chaat is also their invention. They are also authentic. You can't deny that fact.
No, the point is, oh, bhai, you don't live
You don't live, yeah. So we are in rickshaw. This is Central Market, and I am loving every bit of it. Yeah, coming back.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Both have their authentic taste. You can say KFC has its authentic fried chicken, and Golden Fiesta has a Chinese chaat. What do you think? Would they be? Are they really in a competition? What do you think? Are they really? Because KFC chicken is expensive. Those who go to KFC might not like to eat this chicken, which they think might be unhealthy or whatever other concerns. So do you think there is really any competition? And if there is competition, what do you think would be repercussions on Golden Fiesta?
no, there is no direct competition. I mean, whosoever is coming for the first time to this market, he won't be able to have this Golden Fiesta Chinese chaat. But whosoever is coming for the first time and he sees the banner of KFC, he is willing to visit.
This is the heart of Central Market. It is one of the oldest circles that came into being when refugees have come up and they had set up shops here. They had houses all over these places. Now you see the banners covering up those houses. People have vacated those houses just because they now want to live in peace. It's usual that those who have shops here down, they are only purchasing the houses down upstairs and commercializing the whole thing. So houses have been vacated all over. You won't see a single person on the balcony gazing the crowd. All they have is the stocks piling up and piling up.